According to the latest reports, Messi has communicated with Barcelona via fax that he wants to leave the club. The Argentine would utilize the clause in his contract that allows him to leave the club unilaterally. The reports suggest that Messi is angry with current president Bartomeu and believes that the club is suffering while he is in charge. Although Messi's clause to leave the club was expired in May, it can be extended to August due to the season being elongated. So in this video, we will talk about the situation between Messi and Barcelona and whether he could really leave the club or not. Respected journalist Ghulam Balik has also mentioned that Messi has sent a fax to Barcelona asking the club to let him go and use the clause that he has agreed in his last contract by which he can go for free. Messi thinks the season finished in August, so he can use the clause that frees him from the club before the end of the month. While on the other hand, Barcelona suggests that Messi's clause about leaving the club ended in June. For that, he can't leave the club right now. After hearing the latest news, the football fans can't even believe that Messi is actually leaving Barcelona. Barcelona's former captain Carlos Puyol came out and tweeted that he respects and admires the decision and Messi has his full support. Fox Sports journalist Cholo Satelli has also tweeted and confirmed the news of Messi leaving Barcelona. Messi has a very public spat with former director Eric Abidal earlier this year, and he has also struggled to form a proper relationship with the big money signing Antoine Griezmann. If Messi indeed leaves Barcelona, the questions are emerging that where he could head out and join next season. Manchester City is really interested in buying Messi for quite some time now. His reunion with Pep Guardiola can happen next if he leaves Barcelona. While Barca is doing everything they can to stop Messi from going, according to Ghulam Balik, Messi thinks the season finished in August, so he can use the clause that frees him from the club before the end of the month. So there is a huge possibility that we can see Messi leaving Barca before the end of this month, and it's a huge deal for the footballing world. Speculation of Messi leaving Barcelona has started when Barcelona lost to Bayern Munich via 8-2 in a humiliating match. And now the reports from Spain and Argentina suggest that he has communicated with the club and stated his desire to leave the club and do a fresh start from the next season. The last time Barcelona won the Champions League was in 2014-15 against Juventus in the final. The team then had players like Neymar, Suarez, Busquets, Iniesta in their prime to support Messi in the tough games of the Champions League. After that season, Messi has waited too long for another Champions League trophy. And on the other hand, Barcelona has signed players who could not fit the club's profile seasons after seasons. Right now Messi is 33, and if everything goes right, he has 2 or max 3 years in his footballing career. And at this time, he thinks of joining another club to make these last 3 years as successful as possible. Football fans, and most importantly Barcelona fans, are really shocked and hopes that Messi doesn't leave Barcelona, but the reports are suggesting otherwise. Well, that's all for now. We want to know from you guys, what do you think, whether Messi will leave the club or not? And if he really leaves, what club he could join next? Please leave a comment, like and subscribe to our channel if you want more from us. And if you guys have any kind of suggestions on how we can make our content better, we are more than happy to hear it from you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.